Hello everyone. You seriously need to see this best Android 15 Carplay. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. First off, the craftsmanship, it is absolutely impressive. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The smart technology inside makes it so efficient. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. This offer won't last. See the deal in the bio, and secure yours at the